So, first thing I want to do is show the list of all the teams that won, or all the winners of all the teams. Okay, so that's a list of the winners of the SP Authentic, and this is the case here. So, the first box of this we're going to open tonight. As you can see, the seal on the back, on the front, on the sides. Alright. For those on YouTube, I'm just going to show the time here. It's 10:09, Thursday night. And we're going to open it up. Good luck, everybody. I'm going to do the playoff contenders right after this. There's 2 boxes of those. Alright, so as you can see, we got a full case here. Just going to grab the first box. This is the one we're going to break tonight. Alright, so this one here, serial number M060132011. I don't know if you guys are even going to be able to see that. Okay. Alright, so that's the box there. You guys ready to go? Can everybody hear me? I just want to make sure somebody text into me just to make sure that you guys can hear me. Yeah, cool. Would be pretty cool to get a box topper right away. Oh. Alright, so we got the box here. There's no SPX pack yet. Empty box. We're going to get started here. First pack, base card here, base card. All base cards. I'm not going to call the base cards out, guys. Just going to call the future watches out and the hits. You guys, I will send all the base cards out to you guys. So you'll get all those. Alright, so we got our first hit. The first hit is Bilal Powell. It's our first hit there. And we got 2 base cards. We get our first Future Watch. It's Tony Dorsett. And then 2 base cards. All base cards there. Alright, so we got another Future Watch. It's Jarrell Jernigan, New York Giants. And then 2 base cards. So we're looking for 2 more hits. We're a third away through the box. Rahib Ishmael, Future Watch. All base cards. Looking for the big hit. Who do you guys have? Who are you looking for? Seed, I know you've been buying a few here and there the last last week or so. We'll get you something here. Well, we're doing 2 cases, so you're bound to get something in these 2 cases if you keep going. Jake Locker, Future Watch. We're down to the last third of the box here. We're still looking for 2 autos. 2 autos. Well, we got this one's going to the Panthers, a Cam Newton Future Watch. You want another Torrey Smith auto? I did a case break on Tuesday night. We had a couple of them. We got an SPX. Alright, so we got our second hit. It's going to be Greg Salas, Sign of the Times. So that's our second hit of the night. And then base cards. We got one more to go. Okay, so I just got another autograph on a base card. So we're still looking for a rookie auto patch. Derek Locke. And then two base cards here. So we got 3 autos there, but no auto patch. So hopefully there's still an auto patch in here. There should be. I know in the case that we just opened, we actually had some extra autos in there. We got a Future Watch, Evan Royster, Redskins, I think, on this one. Well, we got one more pack here. We didn't get the auto patch. Hopefully this is the lucky pack. There's no auto patch, so there were 3 autos.
I've never seen that.
It's the first time I've seen a box open with only 3 autos but no rookie auto patch. I'm going to have to write down the box number on that. So that was it, guys.
Oh, it just says 3 autos per box now.
Yeah. So we got 3 autos. I'm just going to recap them real quick. It says 3 autos in every box. Derek Locke.
No, it doesn't. It says including 1 rookie auto pack.
Yeah. We got a Sign of the Times. And a Bilal Powell. So I don't know where this rookie auto patch that we were supposed to get, but I will write the serial number down and call Upper Deck tomorrow. These are all the base cards here. So we'll start with the, I'm going to stop the videos now, and we'll start, the playoff contenders.